Today, I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your Sony camera. I'm specifically using the Sony FX3, but you can follow the setup for other Sony cameras as well. And software updates are a great way to get the most out of your Sony camera because it can often fix bugs and operational issues and occasionally add new features. First, you're going to want to make sure your battery is fully charged and do not remove the battery from your camera when you are updating, otherwise your camera can become completely inoperable. And next, we'll just go into the menu and go all the way down to where it says setup. Go into that submenu, scroll all the way down where it says setup options. Next, go to the bottom of this menu and click version. So I'm currently on version 6. For the FX3, the latest version is 7.02, which is what we're gonna be updating to. The reason why it's important to know the current firmware your Sony camera is running is because, for example, I have the Sony FX3, and if I was running version 2.02 or earlier, I would have to first update to version 2.04 or 2.05 before installing version 7.02, which is the latest version. If I was on version 2.02 or earlier, it would result in an error and I would not be able to update my camera. And no need to worry, the Sony website will tell you exactly what you need to know before updating to the latest firmware. All right, next we're gonna grab an SD card. We're actually gonna format this in the camera. And before you format it, just make sure that you have all the clips in this card offloaded to a hard drive because we're gonna be completely wiping this card. If your Sony camera has 2 slots, make sure to just put it in slot 1. And we're gonna click menu and we're going to go down to shooting and we're gonna go where it says media. Click that, click format. Click slot 1, and again, make sure all your footage is backed up before you format it. Execute the format, and it should be done in a few seconds. Next, take that SD card out and put it into your computer. Then search up your camera model and latest firmware. Click Sony's official site and download the file. Next, drag and drop that file onto your SD card. Eject and insert the SD card back into your camera. Click menu, go all the way down to where it says setup option. Click version, click body, software update. Go through the instructions, and now you can start your update. Give it a few minutes and you'll be good to go. That's how you update the firmware on your Sony camera, and if you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be releasing a full setup guide for the Sony FX3 next week, so if you want to see that, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.